Hi everybody, this is Jeffrey Kumjon, and it's uh, July 25th, I think. I'm here on Noel's dock. He just passed away about 3 weeks ago. It was so sad. He was a great mentor to me. I'll miss him. He's 93, and it's a nice day today. Beautiful, and this is Isle Hope Marina, Isle Hope, Georgia, on Skidaway River. It's beautiful, and the marine is out there. Isle Hope Marine is out there, and I sell stuff like this online, Etsy and eBay, and it's a acorn box. If you want to buy it, I'm on Etsy, and also I'm on Nextdoor under Jeffrey Kumjon. I have over 21 items I'm trying to sell. I got furniture. I got Chester drawer set. It's beautiful. A roll away, and come see it, or see it on Nextdoor, Jeffrey Kumjon. It's beautiful, and this is really nice outside. It's hot in the 90s here. Look at this boat. I think they're going to sell the house now. And it's sad to see this guy go. And let's see. And I got pens. Oh, nice pen I got to sell on Etsy and stuff. And in person. It's really nice here. If you want to message me, Jeffrey_Kumjon at hotmail.com. I could really, it would really help me with funds and stuff. And I got a room for rent too, but you really have to get to know me. It's beautiful outside, and I just move around a little bit. This dog. And I have relatives in South Harbor, way out there. Okay, and this is the trees, and that's the house Noel lived in. It was very nice, built in the 1880s, really nice, and this will be on YouTube. I hope you enjoy it. God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you have any questions, email me or message me on YouTube. Bye-bye.